Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about the word cloud. This is the last final step to visualize for the visualization. And what is the word cloud? First we start this video from here by giving an introduction what is a word cloud. The word cloud is a technique for visualizing the frequency of a word in a text where the size of the word represents their frequency. So each word in a word cloud has a variable font size and the color. But actually why we need word cloud? Before moving forward, we should understand this why we need this word cloud. So basically with the help of the word we can analyze or we can determine the prominence of the word. A bigger size word is more prominent compared to the other word in a text. So as we are doing a classification problem between classify the tweets between the disaster and the non-disaster. So with the help of the word cloud, we can analyze or we can visualize what kind of the word people are using in the disaster tweet or what kind of the word people are using in the non-disaster tweet. This word cloud have an other application in the analysis of the trending topics, say the customer feedback and many more applications. Now most important point come here, how we can generate the word cloud in a Python. So for this you have to be import the word cloud from the word cloud. So from word cloud you have to be import the word cloud as well as the stop words. This is your first step. For first you have to be, what you need to do, you have to be define your disaster text in separate and non-disaster text separately. So first I have to be filter out data frame. So what is my data frame will be, my data frame is this one and I have to be filter out based on my target. So this is the new df and what's my target is, that's with the my disaster. Okay, then what I want the new text, because new text is my clean text and I store in the dis text. Okay, so my dis text look like that. So this text look like the series, but I want all the tweets in one kind of a paragraph. So what I do, I will be join with the, let's call join and this text. Now see this text. Okay, so that's what I get, the this text. Okay, so this is the one thing. Similarly you have to be do for the non-dis text. That is a non-disaster text. So non-disaster, here will come the non-disasters and same thing. Then here will become the non-dis, it will also be the non-disaster. So now I got my text. So what I going to do now, I have to be call the variable that is a wc1, that is for the disaster tweet. I'm going to be draw it. I have to be called the word cloud, which already we import. Then I have to be give its width size. So width size we give here, and then we give the height, then we give the collections. I will explain all these parameter at the end. False, then we give here background color that is black. Then we give here random state. So I give for here now 1. I will explain all these parameters. Just wait for a second. I have to be give here the stop words as well. That's we already import with the stop words. And then I have to be generate the dis. So this is my the word cloud parameter. Now to see now to visualize the word cloud, I am writing the function, that's the define plot word cloud. Pass the parameter as word cloud here and pass the target. I set first the figure size. For this I set first what is my figure size. So my figure size you know how to set. Then to show the word cloud I am going to use the image show. I will use the plt.imshow, and then we can set its title, set the title here. So we can set the title plt.title word cloud for title, and font size we give 45. Then we not want any axis in this, so we give here plt.axis off. And let's see, now we will call this function to generate the word cloud. So we pass here the WC1 and my target is the disaster tweets. Disaster. Okay, it's not collection, it's known as the collocations. Sorry, and it will be okay. It's take a few seconds to run here. Sorry, here should become title. Okay. So this is the word cloud we see. Let's decrease the figure size little bit, 4020. Okay, so this is the word cloud we are seeing. See, we are visualizing the say disaster tweet. So we are seeing the fire with the bigger font size, attack, bomber, suicide, then this is dead, kill, bomb, flood, new. So these are the words which people mostly use to show okay, this tweet is really showing the disaster. So that thing we can analyze here. Now similarly for the non-disaster tweet, what you need to do, copy the same thing, WC1, change here WC2 and change here the non-dis, just this much. Okay, so this is the non-disaster tweet, love and the bag, want, okay, so body, go. These are the tweets which not showing any kind of a disaster. So this is the word cloud, and this is the very simple form of a word cloud. You can make it more customized according to you, according to your wish. So that's the one thing. Okay, now we learn how to draw the word cloud. Let's come here again. Let's see, these are the what are the function I use, what are the parameters I use here. You know, width and height, no need to explain, you can adjust according to yourself. Collocations is what, if you not give it false, then it will use the duplicate word, but once you give the false, it will remove the duplicate word from the text to generate the word cloud. Background color you can set according to your wish. Now this is the important factor, random state 1. What is a random state 1? So if we not set the random state, if we default value if we give to random state, then every time when you generate the word cloud for the same data, you will get the different word cloud. So to ensure the reproducibility of the same word cloud at every time, you have to be set this random state. It's your wish, you can play with this random state number to ensure your word cloud have a reproducibility. Whenever you run that code, and it should give the same word cloud result. So this is for the random state. Rest all are the simple stoppers you already know. Then generate disaster tweet and non-disaster tweet is very simple. So this is about the word cloud. I hope the word cloud is a little bit clear to you. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section, and we'll try to help you best. And thanks for watching this video. We'll meet you soon in the next video. I hope in the next video we will start the modeling part, and let's stop this data visualization in this stage. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye bye.